Hey YouTube! So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the sauce, which is my cleaning solution I made from these items right here. All these things you can find in your household, so it shouldn't cost you barely any money. Right now I'm in my parents' house using their kitchen, so I don't want to get anything dirty. Let's get started. So first thing you're going to need is a cup. I use this one because it is melted and messed up. Next you're going to need some baking soda. So I have some baking soda here. I have a spoon, and I'm not going to use a whole lot. Let's get this out without spilling it. Next, you're going to need some soap. I have different types of soap here. This is dishwashing soap. I found dishwashing soap works the best. Then I'm going to add my laundry detergent. Laundry detergent is good because this really helps get out the stains and things just like it does to your clothes, but it doesn't harm your shoes or the materials. So all that's in there now. Use this chopstick, I'm gonna stir it all up. Then I'm gonna add some water. Okay, so I've added the water, I've added all the baking soda, the soap, the laundry detergent, so now it's pretty much good to go. Right here I actually have mine. I put mine in a hair product bottle, and so it actually makes it very easy to dispense. You just pop open the lid, and that way you can squeeze it out. It makes it a lot easier than having to pour the whole thing. So if you do have an empty bottle such as this, you can fill it up with pretty much that's all I do. You can see how it works. It actually works very well. This way you don't have to buy a lot of expensive cleaners because you can make them at your house for free. So that's how you make the sauce, my pristine cleaner that I use on all my shoes to help them get back to looking brand new. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Comment below on any suggestions or ideas you might have for my channel. Any shoes that you'd like to see me clean, review. Please like and subscribe as well so you won't miss out on any great content that I have. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you guys for the next one.